Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your location on LinkedIn account. To change your location on LinkedIn, first of all, open up the LinkedIn app and log into your account if necessary. After you're signed into the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, click on your name at the top. You will then end up in your profile. Go ahead and tap on the pencil icon right next to your profile picture and then scroll down and get to the location area. Tap on Location tab and enter a new location you are trying to change to. Right after you do that, click on the Save button at the bottom to update your profile. And that is how you can easily change your location on LinkedIn. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.